Basic Flash Tutorial Series.
Number 1. Getting started.
Hello everybody, this is my third or fourth time trying to record this intro for you guys. And this is tutorial number 1, which is getting started for Basic Flash. This is my Basic Flash series. Later on there will be an Advanced Flash series, but right now I just want to teach the newbies that don't know anything about Flash. And right now I'm going to start off big, and I'm going to teach you guys how to get Adobe Flash CS3, and I'm also going to teach you guys how to set up your stage. And if I have some time, some extra resources that you'll most likely never need. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Flash. Over here you'll have stuff over here, nothing over here, maybe these open, and you know, some stuff over here you can enlarge and play with that. I prefer it to be like that. So what you really want to do is you want to go over here to frame rate, and you want to double click this. Over here it'll open up your document properties. Your dimension should be 640 pixels by 360 pixels. Your background color can be anything you like, blue, green, whatever. I just prefer green because it's easy to see against normal sprites. And frame rate 30 FPS frames per second. Movie unit should be pixels. And then after you set all that up, you'll click make default. That way every time you open up Flash, you'll have all these settings. Now you want to set up some sound. What you want to do is you want to go to publish settings. Click on that once, and you want to go to the Flash tab. Once you get to the Flash tab, you should have all these set up. Flash version 9, bottom up, action script 2.0, and these are some options that you can have. If you're really worried about people stealing and decompiling your SWFs, like protect from import, and then set a password so that only the people who know the password can decompile your SWFs, but everything else should be checked. I'm not really going to check this because I don't really care. It's only a basic tutorial. And what you want to do is you want to set the script time limit to 15 seconds. JPG quality should be 100, and your audio stream should be set to MP3, 160 kbps best. Same for this. You don't want to have either of these checked. Once you've done that, go over here and click export. That way, and you have to save and you have to overwrite it. That way, every time you open up Flash, it will have these settings preset, so you don't have to go over them over and over again. So click OK. That's pretty much all you have to do for setting up your Flash. And then in the next tutorial, which I'll probably do sometime tomorrow, you just need to open up Flash and all this will be set up, so we can actually get started with the classes. So here's some programs that I like to have for Flash but are not needed. Joined.me is an application where if you get this application, what happens is it's going to open this, it won't have this. But you can click using one-time code, and you click this and it gives you a number, a 9-digit number at the top of here. What happens is you copy and paste that number into a chat or into a comment or something. Once people go to that link, they'll be able to see your computer screen and what you're animating, so that you can share with people and they can teach you some new things, hopefully. Another thing I like to have is Swift Player. Swift Player is an SWF player that plays FWS, and you can just open it and go through any SWF. Let's see. Let's say 1, 2, look at this. Tell me the secrets. So And then you can also reverse FPL. So say if I really like this part where he's beating Yami to a pulp, I can play that over and over again. It just plays over and over again. Just look at his face. He's so mad. And then that's pretty much all there is from Swift Player. Another thing I like to have is Skype so I can message people. My Skype name will be in the description, so check that out too. And the last thing I really use is Audacity. And what it can do is that it plays most music files, not all, but most. And you can edit music inside of it, put tones. So say if you're a voice actor, you can record in Audacity and then save it as something. So let me try playing something real quick. Piano dubstep. So yeah, you get the point. And that's pretty much all I use for Flash, aside from Paint, which I use for spriting. So stuff. Can make it so that you can print screen and copy like a certain Mega Ultimate Flash 900 I know. So I'll just do it like this. Hopefully it doesn't. But so yeah, I sprite too, and that's pretty much all you're gonna need for Flash, or that's all I want for Flash, and you're pretty much set up. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Next tutorial will be on importing sprites and sounds. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.